Ay, wala pa pala. Hello guys. Now we're gonna play our game, Woolwich Military Academy. This this is ain't finished cause we have a lot of things to make on school. So I'm gonna explore you on our game. Oh, I'm I'm OF9 General here, cause yeah yeah we have pod and the lock and unlock is working, but you need to go on here's pad and put and type lock, then it's gonna lock. If you want to unlock it, just say again unlock, and it have little animation. Now we were going on our headquarters. Let me just find. Join now if you want. If you want to join, comment. Please comment on. Please comment down below and like and subscribe, please. This is my first video post. Yeah, this is the ACGS. This is ASM. This is the owner of the game. This is the next of the CGS, Chief of General Staff. And this is my brother position, my older brother, Deputy Chief of General Staff. Okay, let's go over on. Let's go over to. Here's the stage, and we have. I forgot that we have RGG, CG, and yeah, like that. Where this? Yeah, this is the CG called Stream Card. This is our GG Grenadier. I will show you our drill gun and drill sabre. This is the drill sabre. It's have good animation. Look, yes. And we have button on the left side. Go down. Go on the left side and look down. You wanna see the normal button. If you click it, it's gonna make you slower walk and make you like RGG cards. Yes. Wait. Slow. And this is the gun. This is not working because this is the drill gun. Slow. March. March. Left, right, left, left. Yes. Okay. This is the gate of our game, Wales Military Academy. I don't know if they add. I don't know if they add tanks or, but the helicopters is added. I don't know the tags, the tanks. I'm on phone right now. Let's see if they add tanks. Bro, can click. Oh, you can. I can't. It no tanks. Let's fly to the AAB. Oh, this the helicopters here is working. Like, see, but I don't know how to control it on phone, so I will not use this because I don't know. And we have on parachute training on AAB. I think this. Oh, oh, not working. Let me reset. They fix they they fixing this game little bit, and on June 25 we're gonna work on this game and have have more days to finish this, because if we finish this like 3 weeks, it's so late. It's late. So this is the PT, the regimental recruit, special forces. This one is good, I think. Yes. I love I love the British Army because they have special force and have a good outfits. Scout Ranger. This is the we don't have IFD. We have Royal Gurkha Rifles. We changed it. Okay. It's just for all today's video. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below to send you the link of our server and Roblox group. If you have Discord, just put it on the comment down below. Okay, bye bye.